Alright, this is your car ready to get primed. Ready to prep. All we gotta choose is one color.
Okay.
So we're going to use these colors to match the color you pick. We're going to use our Sonic Master Matcher.
Wow!
Alright, time to pick card. Alright, the cards are all painted and ready to put back together.